Have two birds, hot and heavy today, trying to get in here, looking at me crazy. It's hot. It's so hot out here. Let me in. I chunked them some ice and it melted. They're too stupid to go get it. I don't know what to tell them. Uh-oh. Might have a taker. Nope. We're just going to go on with some dry mouth. Have a good day.